Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how do I do a day trade on Revolut. Today I'm going to buy Biontech once again because usually there is a higher volume on this stock, so I'm hoping for some profits for today as well. I already bought 5 shares, but let's buy a couple of more shares because the price seems to be reasonable. Yes, it has been executed and already waiting for like a better moment. I'm going to buy more because like 2,800 is not really a big trade, and if it is not a big trade, you cannot get a bigger profit. Also, risk management is important, but I'm like not a financial advisor, so this is just for entertainment purposes. As you can see on my watch list, there is Apple and Fiverr as well. I kind of missed the opportunities on them, but it's no problem because Biontech usually gives enough profit, but for today, the price is not really moving fast, which is could be okay, but we have to be patient. Even if it is a day trade, sometimes it could take longer than a few minutes. In the meantime, I'm checking the prices for Moderna, Pfizer, Novavax, and it seems that the price for those stocks just started to rise a little bit. So I'm expecting the same for Biontech because usually they tend to move like together. So yes, checking the prices, checking the moving average, the RSI, I'm checking those indicators as well. And I'm planning to buy a bit more just to increase the size of the trade. So it's almost like 351. Let's see if it goes underneath that. Because if yes, I'm just gonna purchase it. Like 3 more just to save some for the fourth trade if it will be necessary. Luckily, it has been executed. All right, you can see here the transaction history. I'm planning to buy a bit more, but as you can see, the price is not really moving into any direction. So I'm quite surprised because the beginning of the market is usually tend to go either up or down, but like a bit faster than today. So maybe the investors or day traders are not really interested about Biontech, at least for today. So thinking about buying a bit more shares for 351, but it's not really going up anymore, not really going down anymore, which is obviously a good sign because in that case I could sell them for some profit. But let's just wait a little bit more. Oh yes, the Moderna stock prices are started going up, also the Novavax, so it should go along with them. I'm planning to sell them for about 350 for 355 something, but if it is going to go down like a 345, in that case I will just wait because there is a high probability that it will return to this price. Obviously, I would love to sell it today just to make sure that I can completely close this trade and maybe tomorrow I can already do a different day trade on something else. I'm still planning to buy a bit more, but really it's not really moving anywhere. Maybe now. Oh yes, finally it started to breach the 355. So I'm gonna submit like a limit order, not a stop price, like a limit order for this price because for this price I can get some profit and the order has been transferred. So now I'm only going to have to wait for the price to cross this price. So it's quite funny because it's exactly 355, but it has to cross this price. So just one ticker from profit. I really hope that it will move into my favor. Oh yes, it has been executed. And let's check the transaction history just one more time. I'm gonna make sure that it was exactly as I imagined. Oh yes. So if you like the video, please drop a like and see you in the next video.